Alright, what's going on, people? Today we are doing a 3-hole oil change. Sorry, it's hot as shit. So, we are going to be doing engine oil, transmission fluid, and primary fluid. We're going to be using Amsoil products, sponsored by Amsoil. So, for the primary, we're going to be using the V-twin primary fluid, the V-twin transmission fluid for the transmission, and 20W50 for the engine, and Amsoil's filter. So, I did warm the engine up a bit, went for a little rip, came back, so the engine's been warmed up and it's cooled down. So, fuck, hold on. There we go. Crack this. Gonna loosen up the derby cover. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Of course, I'm going to make a fucking mess, as always. As soon as that's finished draining, I'm going to button it up and then take off the filter. Just gonna put this cloth here. Hopefully that catches most of the oil. And of course it didn't. For the new filter, basically just use some old oil, grease the seal. What I usually do is I pre-oil my filters. Some people do, some people don't, totally up to you, but that's just my preference. You don't need to crank it on either. It's basically hand tight, so it's pretty much as tight as you can with your hand. That should be fine. Primer is done, so I'm going to button that back up. And then this is for the engine oil. Put this one back in. That one's in. This one is for the transmission. That goes in. 3.5-ish, depends, but yeah. Alright, so that's 3 quarts in there now. I'm going to leave that for now. I'm going to put 1 quart in the transmission here. going to do the primary fluid, which is 1 quart of this. Pretty sure all you guys know crisscross applesauce. I don't gotta explain that to you guys. Alright, so basically oil's filled, transmission's filled, primary's filled, all the bolts are all tightened up. So I'm just gonna start it, let it run for a bit, then I'm gonna check the oil levels. So let it run for a bit, let it get to optimal temperature. I'm gonna let it cool down for a bit, then I'm gonna check the levels.
A few moments later.
Wipe it off. And you can see it's actually just above the full mark. So to me that's good enough. I'm not draining it out. It's good enough for me. Over time it'll probably burn a little bit or it'll leak. It's a Harley. It'll leak. Alright. Clean that off. Oh fuck, it's fucking hot. Alright, and we'll see where it's at. Perfect. It's literally right on the full mark. The primary, don't really gotta check. I already know it's good. So that is pretty much it. Quick oil change. Save yourself $250. Do it yourself.